Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle using cartoon. First, grab your pencil and paper. Start by lightly sketching the general size and placement of your circle. Don't worry about perfection yet. The goal is to get a basic guide down. Use your entire arm, not just your wrist, for a smoother, more natural curve. Keep your lines very faint, almost invisible, as these are just guides. Now, with your initial light guide, start drawing multiple, slightly overlapping lines around it. Think of it like drawing many small arcs that eventually form a complete circle. As you get closer to your desired shape, you can begin to apply a little more pressure to darken the lines. Concentrate on making your curves as smooth and continuous as possible, connecting the arcs seamlessly. Once you have a satisfactory outline, it's time to clean up. Carefully erase all the faint guidelines and any excess overlapping marks. Then, take your pencil and confidently trace over the best, most accurate circle line you've created. This final line should be darker and more defined. You can then add thickness or any specific cartoon character details to your circle. To truly master cartoon circles, consistent practice is key. The more you draw, the more natural and precise your circles will become. Don't be afraid to experiment with varying line weights to give your circles more character and depth. A thicker line can make an object feel closer, while a thinner line can suggest distance. Also, remember to stay hydrated while you're drawing. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.